In this section, we will explain what the bad update was and how it affected Asus users. Asus is a well-known brand that produces various hardware products, such as motherboards, laptops, routers, and more. Asus also provides software updates for its devices through a tool called Asus Live Update, which is supposed to enhance the performance and security of the devices. However, in May 2023, Asus released a bad update that caused a lot of problems for its users. According to reports from Bleeping Computer, this update was a server-side security maintenance error that knocked offline many Asus routers worldwide. Users who installed this update found themselves unable to connect to the internet or access their router settings. This was not the first time that Asus had a problem with its updates. In 2019, Asus was hacked by attackers who compromised its Live Update tool to distribute malware to almost 1 million customers. The malware was disguised as a legitimate update and targeted specific devices based on their MAC addresses. Asus later issued a fix and advised users to check their devices for infection. In 2023, Asus also faced allegations of shady business practices regarding its motherboards for AMD Ryzen CPUs. According to Windows Central, Asus released beta BIOS updates that waived consumer warranty and did not fix the issue of overheating CPUs. Some content creators tested Asus ROG motherboards and found that they still exceeded the safe voltage limits for the processors. These incidents have damaged Asus's reputation and trust among its customers. Many users have expressed their frustration and disappointment with the brand on social media and forums. Some have even switched to other brands or returned their products for refunds. Asus has apologized for the bad update in 2023 and said it was working on a solution. It also confirmed that it would honor warranties for official and beta BIOS releases for AM5 chipsets. However, some users are still waiting for a fix or have resorted to manual methods to restore their routers. If you are one of the affected Asus users, you may be wondering what to do about it. In the next section, we will show you some steps you can take to fix your router and protect your device from future problems. In this section, I will show you how to check if your Asus device is affected by the bad update and how to uninstall it if necessary. The bad update was distributed through the Asus Live Update software tool, which is a utility that automatically downloads and installs the latest drivers and software for your Asus device. However, hackers managed to infiltrate this tool and deliver a malicious update that could compromise your device's security. To check if you have the bad update installed, you need to look for a file named asusforceupdater.exe in your system. This file is the main component of the malicious update and it can be found in one of these locations. C:\program files, x86, /asus live update /asusforceupdater.exe, C:\program data /asus live update /asusforceupdater.exe, C:\program files, x86. /asus /update checker /asusforceupdater.exe. You can use the Windows search function to locate this file on your device. If you find it, it means you have the bad update and you need to remove it as soon as possible. To uninstall the bad update, you need to first disable the Asus Live Update service from running in the background. To do this, follow these steps. Press Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter to open the services window. Find Asus Live Update service in the list and double-click on it to open its properties. Click on Stop to stop the service from running. Click on Startup Type and select Disabled from the drop-down menu. Click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, you need to delete the asusforceupdater.exe file from your system. To do this, follow these steps. Open File Explorer and navigate to the location where you found the file. Right-click on the file and select Delete. Empty your recycle bin to permanently delete the file. Finally, you need to update your Asus Live Update software tool to the latest and safest version. To do this, follow these steps. Go to the Asus official website and click Search. Enter your device model name in the search bar and press Enter. For example, UX580GD. Click on Driver and Tools. Choose Windows 10 64-bit or your operating system version. Find Asus Live Update in Utilities, click Download and install it after the download is complete. Alternatively, you can use My Asus app to update your drivers and software automatically. You can download My Asus app from here. https://www.asus.com/support/faq/1038301. By following these steps, you should be able to check if your Asus device is affected by the bad update and how to uninstall it if necessary. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from me. In this section, I will provide some tips on how to prevent future updates from causing problems or how to restore your device if needed. One of the most important things you can do is to make sure that your device has the latest and safest version of Asus Live Update. This is the application that automatically checks and installs software updates for your Asus device. You can check the version of Asus Live Update by right-clicking on its icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and clicking About. You can also find it in the control panel under Programs and Features.